how to increase the read log size of the in the database, Oracle database, and basically why we are increasing the read log size. So this topic is today we will see in this tutorial. So let's start. So here I have some documents, and I have to why increase the read log size. Basically first topic. So here is the 4 points. First is a frequently checkpoint. If our read log size is small and database requirement of the read log size, so it is frequently creating the checkpoints because this read log buffer is getting one by one full and automatically frequently creating the checkpoint. If you are the basic knowledge of the Oracle database, you know very well why checkpoint is creating once buffer log it is releasing. Each log is switch trigger and checkpoint. Each log, whenever the release this getting the full of the read log, then automatically create the trigger the checkpoints. So it will be higher IO higher performance degradation. Second is archive log pressure. If again and again archive log switching and archive log files and too much is, so archive log mode, every switch generated an archive log files. Too many small archive logs, overhead backup and storage. So that is the part of some second part of the disadvantage of a small read log. Checkpoint not complete. Sometimes the checkpoint is not complete and happen, and DB writer can't be finished writing dirty buffer into before next log going to switch. So that is the third problem. So what is the fourth problem is performance instability. So higher redo generation system OLTP suffer most. If too much log is getting redo generate again and again, and that is the problem. Log switch every 30 to 15 minutes under a normal workload. So according to our 10 to 15 to 30 minutes one archive log is switching, that is the best performance. So now we are doing the practical today. So I have a prepare one SOP, and we will follow that SOP. So I am just here, I'm coming to here, and what is the steps we will follow? Increase the read log size, okay, and we take the following steps. What is the check the first we will check the read log size. So what is the read log size currently? We have a command. I will check the current. Here is my already database. Wait a second, I will open is already okay, and DCDR both databases already I have login. So guys, here you can see this is my DC prompt. You can see this is my DC prompt. I will show you. Okay guys, so you can select. Okay, you can see this is the primary database, and this is my standby database here, and in standby below there is a below in alert log on both standby and primary. Already I have opened it. Okay, so today in this practical we will follow. This is my alert log in this primary and standby. Okay, so just okay, so now we will start. Here this is my standby and this is my primary. So we will check change in the primary, and it will be automatically reflect in the standby. That is also we have to test here. Okay, now we are going to follow the steps. What happened? First check the what is the size of the read log and what is the status of this read log. So here I can see 200 MB is the size of the read log size. 200 MB read logs currently. So suppose I have 250. I have 50 MB. I want to increase my read log size. Okay. So today in this topic. Okay guys, so now again I have checked the log file size. What is the size and in this log file. So this is the also I have a very, you can see this is 3 read log size, and this is the file member, and same query I have to use in dr side. You can see already is there, is you can see already in their same file. Okay, so what is the here, what is the steps we have to. So firstly, in this as per the steps, you can see first add the 3 groups with the new size. Okay, so we want to increase, current size is our 200 MB. You can see our current size is 200 MB, and I want to increase 5 MB extra, it means 250 MB. Okay, so first create we will same add the new groups in this same location with the 250 MB. Okay, so here I have already query prepared. So you can say alter database, add log file group. Okay, 4 and what is the size of, I want to size set 250 MB. Okay, so 200 each. So I am creating, this is the first, second one group is 5, and size is here also 250, correct, and third one is also 250. Okay, so firstly create 3 groups, group number 4, group number 5, and group number 6. Alter database, add log file group. So we have to add 3 groups, because already 3 readlog group already is there. Okay, which is already running. So same 3 groups we have to add it with the different group, like already 1 2 3 group in this database already available. So I will use 4 5 6 with the 250 MB we have to add. Okay, so first this command I will execute. Okay, so I'm going to add this in this primary. Okay, so I'm here, I will add. Okay, command is not properly, something is missing. Okay, sorry. Okay, just wait. Alter database, add. Okay, no problem. If any problem, so I will add one by one. Okay, no problem. Same command I will use here, add log file, single file we will create. Okay, no problem. Okay, and just here I will remove colon. Okay, so now I am first added data file 4. Okay, so command is not properly, alter database, add log file group 4, and this is the okay, I have to check this path is available or not. Yeah, path is already available on that location. Okay, 3 and 4 file is not there. Okay, something is missing in this script. Alter database, add log file group 4. Okay, I'm just removing it and try to. Okay. MB is not taking, just M is taking. Sorry guys, just okay, sorry, MB, because I have a 250 M is considered, it will be not taking MB. Sorry, so it's my mistake. and okay, now I'm going for to the add MB. Okay, you can see easily it will be added. Okay, so now I'm just removing MB and add with the this two group also. Okay, one by one I can add. Okay, again we will check the size of the log file, and I will show you already I have created. Okay, okay, now you can see 4 4 5 6 it is created. Okay, the size of I will check also the read log size. This is the command, so don't worry guys, I will share this command and SOP also, so you can easily you can see okay, so okay guys, so I will share documents for this, so you can easily follow this step. Don't worry, I will share in my, you can see 456 is a 250 MB unused. It means it is currently not in use. We have added in the read log, but it not in use. If for this basically we have to follow what is the next step we will see. Okay, but we have created the 3 groups. Okay, now I have created 3 groups, then after you can see unused. Okay, which are the created, it is showing unused. Okay, so what is the here steps number after creating switch log to the new groups. Okay, so I will switch do the switch log, and alter system switch log I will do, and you can see previous log is inactive, current and inactive. It means that are the read log in use, and which are newly created, that is unused. So how to in use, first I will show you. So if I'm going to alter system switch log file, it will be, maybe it will be take the time, but it will be when I will put the alter system switch, it will be consider once 3 is in current and 4, then after 3 completed it will come for the 4, and then that 4 currently in used, then after it will be currently active. So I will show you. Now I will alter switch. Okay, so I am 2 or 3 I have put on alter switch. Okay, then again I will show you what is the status of this unused to. Okay, you can see here now unused to inactive. So our 4 5 6 are currently active. Okay, so this is that's why I have that's why I put this alter system switch log. So automatically it will be unused for newly created, it will be now active. Okay, so it is sometimes when we going to the inactive, then after I can remove the previous one. Okay, so so now what is the next steps I have follow the switch log file newly. Okay, then force a checkpoint. Okay, so what is the checkpoint? Now here you can see read log I have checked. Now alter system checkpoint. So why we will put this alter system checkpoint, you can see now I will check again the status. Okay, so now current in use first one, but if 1 2 3 in active, then we can drop. If because previous size was 200 MB, now 250, so I want to remove that data file because we don't in use. So for this we have to first all 3 are need to inactive, then we can drop, otherwise we cannot drop, otherwise because it's currently is in running in progress. Okay, so checkpoint is now again we have checked. it currently is inactive. Okay, I will do another alter switch checkpoint. Okay, so one is currently in use, that's why we cannot. Okay, now again we will check. Okay, the status, when we got the inactive, then we can drop. Okay, now currently inactive. Okay, alter system switch, alter system switch log file. Okay, okay, now again check. Okay, okay guys, so now our 1 2 3 is in active. So now we can drop that redo log. Okay, so now come to the next steps, how to drop. Yeah, this is the command, alter database drop redo log 1 2 3. Okay, so we can drop from this database. So what is the alter database drop log file group number? Okay, so now you can see I have dropped from this DB. Okay, okay, so now 4 5 and 6 is currently running, and 1 2 3 is can drop. Okay, so basically we have increased the 200 to 250 MB size. So basically that is the steps, and you can follow, and after that you can remove from the where is the physical file of that, go to the location and you can remove. So also I have I'm going to this remove this log from the database size. Okay, okay, but firstly I have to check. Okay, this file is already available. If we want to drop, okay, so then we can remove from the physical file, but currently I'm going to drop, no problem. I'm going to remove y. Okay, then again you can check, there is no directory or file. It means physically we have also removed from the location. So basically this is the best way to the increase the redo log size for the performance of the database. And if you're firstly created and switching the redo log, so that is the best way to increase the redo log size. And this is the steps. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and comments. Okay.